Hello humans and welcome to Luo English Dictionary. This is day number 44. I know I missed a few days here and there, but hey, we're back and we're better. So today's video we'll be talking about, let me just put myself up here so that you can see me, that I'm real. Where am I now? Hello humans. Hello. Subscribe. Good. So let's move on to the meantime. This is what we should be doing. This is serious stuff now. Today we're going to talk about ambororo. Ambororo. Number 2, ambororo, ambuking, and ambuor. So what are they? The first one is ambororo. Ambororo is a bell worn below the knee or on the thigh. For example, in a sentence you can say, Otieno orwako ambororo nikech odwa wer. Otieno orwako ambororo nikech odwa wer. Otieno has belt around his ankle because he wants to belt out a piece. The second one is ambororo, which is a species of bitter green vegetables. So ambororo is also a species of bitter green vegetables. And the third ambororo is species of black bugs. There is a black bug called ambororo. There's a big one and a small one. Black bugs called ambororo. And our third word, the fourth word of the day, is ambuking. I don't think we use this anymore. Ambuking would mean large waves. Ambuking, large waves. Large waves. And the last word of the day is ambuor. Ambuor. So on my left is an eland and on the right is a horse. Both of them are called ambuor. Ambuor. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and you can also join our channel to contribute towards ensuring that we make better videos for future generations. For now, Oriti. Bye-bye.